Using visual communication to deliver a global message. Video number 2. Two different images have been identified to take a stand against racism in each country. One will be used for the United States website and one for the website in Australia. Each of these images visually appeal to the two targeted audience's viewers. The first image used for Australia shows men and women of various regional populations in Australia, holding hands, symbolizing unity. The image for the United States shows the entire United States covered with the gay pride flag, which indicates peace.